Okay po ba ang barley na uuso ngayon? The only thing that I will say about any supplement, dalawang bagay. Number one, you cannot out-supplement a bad lifestyle. Kunyari, nagsisigarilyo ka, right? You're eating a lot of carbs, processed food na nakakapagpataas ng insulin na siyang magdudulot ng pag-iimpok ng taba that will eventually cause yung mga diseases, diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol. Kung hindi mo ina-address yun, no matter how much na supplementation ang gawin mo, pinakamahal man yan na supplement, it's not gonna change anything. Ikalawa, kung ano man yung supplement na iti-take mo, just always read the label. So you can tell kung ilang net carb content. Bakit mahalaga yun? Kasi meron kang sinusundan na net carb allowance for the day. Kung ano man yung iinumin ninyo na supplement, make sure na walang asukal. So i-optimize muna natin yung nutrition. Pag magaling na tayo mag-low carb, let's go and do our fasting later for sustainability, resistance training. Yun muna yung i-focus natin. Supplementation, it costs money. And it gives you that false sense of hope na parang, okay, pag nag-supplement ako, magiging okay na ako. But if you don't change the main things, nutrition, frequency ng kain ninyo, net carb content, hindi rin po siya magbabago in the long run.